biomedical research, if you posit like cells are growing for them to do research on tuberculosis, on staph infections, on like real things that like we could know someone truly this is life or death. Like we could know someone who will die in 10 years because funding has been halted on these experiments. These cells, it's not a light switch that you turn off and turn back on. These cells are not growing. And so everything is going to have to start over. And then we can talk about, I mean, what this does, not just biomedically, but like brain drain stuff. But this really is life or death research that it is beneficial when certain places have a lot of money so that they can build the right facilities to do this cutting edge work. And then you attract the best people. And this takes decades and decades to build these teams with these systems in place. Um, and it's just frightening how quick it is to destroy it and how long it's going to take to rebuild it.
Spent this week reading the Make America Healthy Again Commission report.
Mm, thank you for your work.
Well, thank you for saying that. And it was interesting because so many of the priorities in that document are really at odds with these research cuts.
Yeah.
That document expresses a need for so much more research on environmental determinants of health, environmental factors, PFAS, chemicals that we're exposed to. It makes, I think, a pretty compelling case that we don't know enough about how the chemicals that we interact with every day interact with each other
Mhm.
and our long-term exposure. Like, we do
Mhm.
a pretty good job making sure things are safe in isolation,
Yep.
but not in combination.
Yeah, that's so interesting.
And I thought it was
It's
a
like your
good point.
pharmacist being
Right.
like, "Ah, don't take these drugs
Exactly.
together."
I didn't go into this report expecting to find a lot of things that I thought, yeah, I agree with that. But I did find some of them,
Yeah.
and all of those things that I found myself agreeing with stand at complete odds with these funding decisions as to universities,
Yeah.
because we really do have to outsource this research somewhere. I don't know where people think it's going to go if it's not being conducted at the university level.